In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create borders using Figma. We'll build a clean border effect by layering two simple shapes. Start by opening Figma and creating or opening a design file so you're on a blank canvas. If you're in the browser, make sure you're logged in and inside a file where you have edit access. Zoom to a comfortable level so you can see your canvas clearly and keep the right-hand properties panel visible. That's where we'll adjust colors and sizing. Select the rectangle tool from the top toolbar, or press the R key. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your first rectangle. This shape acts as the outer area that will become the visible border. If you want a perfect square, hold Shift while dragging. You can rename the layer to Border Base to stay organized. With the rectangle selected, look in the right sidebar to confirm its width and height, and position it where you want the border to appear. Next, set the color for this outer rectangle. In the right panel under Fill, click the color swatch and choose a color that will represent your border. Pick something that contrasts with the inner content you'll add in a moment. You can type a hex code, use the color picker, or select a style from your design system. If you plan to export for different backgrounds, consider a color that remains legible over light and dark surfaces. Now add a second rectangle on top. Draw it inside the first one, centered and slightly smaller on all sides. This inner shape will define the content area and reveal the colored border around it. To make this precise, use the alignment tools to center it horizontally and vertically, then reduce its width and height to create an even gap between the two rectangles. If you hold Option or Alt while resizing, the shape scales from the center, keeping the gap symmetrical. The size of this gap is effectively your border thickness. With the inner rectangle selected, change its fill color to white. This creates the border effect. The colored outer rectangle shows around the edges, and the white inner rectangle serves as the content background. A few tips before we wrap up. If you need rounded borders, give both rectangles the same corner radius. Group the two rectangles to keep them aligned, and lock the outer rectangle to avoid accidental moves. You can always adjust the border thickness later by resizing the inner rectangle. And that's it. Your border is ready in Figma.